Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to export an XML file in Davinci Resolve. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Davinci Resolve program on your PC if you haven't already, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is our homepage where you can see all our videos, our timeline, the preview, and so on. So let's go ahead and see how we can get started with exporting as an XML file any project that we have. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and create the project that you want to export. So you can either go ahead and create a new project or open a recent project that you already have. Here I have my videos, I have added them from my PC and so on, and I'm ready to export this project. So basically guys, as you can see in this thread right here, how to export XML files from Davinci Resolve. Once our project is open, we want to go to the File menu, and at the top left corner of the screen, from the drop-down menu, select Export AF XML, and a new window will open where you can choose the type of file you want to export, which can be XML. So once we go to the File option right here in the upper left corner, we can go ahead and find this option right here that says Export. And guys, we are going to go ahead and have an option right here that gives us the option to export as an XML. We can go ahead and click the Export project, and you can select the XML option. Basically, guys, my project is not compatible with XML, so I do not have the option, but if your project is XML compatible, then you'll be able to go ahead and export it right here from the File menu, and you'll be able to find it on your PC. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.